Hello, welcome to this short demo of our Chile Compliance Accelerator Pack, which is a set of rules, classifiers, and policies that we developed and integrated into BigID. It can be loaded seamlessly in 5 minutes to power up BigID and make it more aligned with Chilean regulations regarding both privacy and cybersecurity. Once we upload our artifacts into BigID, the first things that get created are the frameworks. We took two of the main regulations from Chile. One is called Marco de Ciberseguridad, which is the cybersecurity regulation, and the other is Chile's privacy law. As we enter here, you'll see that we developed a framework similar to what you'd expect from an ISO or NIST framework. We created chapters, and within those chapters are requirements. Each requirement maps to paragraphs or articles of the relevant law. After mapping the requirements from both frameworks, we also uploaded controls. Let me scroll down here to find them. There we go. You'll see here a library of controls that can be used while evaluating RoPAs, PIAs, or any other assessments. They're all based on possible risks and violations of the requirements that need specific controls to mitigate. These are the risk controls. There's also the risk library, where for these Chilean frameworks we generated risks aligned with their principles and requirements. They're all described here with their names, descriptions, an estimation of probability and impact, and they're mapped to the appropriate requirement in the law and to their respective control. After frameworks, controls, and risk libraries are uploaded, we also upload classifiers. Here in my lab, you'll see lots of classifiers, but the key is that we have classifiers specific for Chile that were curated to cover all the types of data and requirements in the law. For every requirement in the privacy and cybersecurity regulations, we have at least one classifier matching every category. Some of these classifiers are specific to Chile. Others, like color de piel, which means skin color, are generic for the Spanish language. The main point is that we cover all types of data referenced in the law. After mapping all the classifiers, we generated policies specific for every category and aspect of the laws. As you can see here, for example, Marco Chile, the cybersecurity regulation specifies the identification of systems with critical data. For every aspect of the law, we have a policy correctly mapped to the appropriate classifiers. We have that for all relevant aspects or articles of the law. This is uploaded into BigID in about 5 minutes, and it can be done on a very raw environment, even a fresh POC environment. After this is loaded, the customer only needs to onboard their data sources and run a scan. We've shared the appropriate classifiers, and the result is visible on the compliance dashboard, a very visual representation of compliance with Chilean requirements. Everything is mapped to policies, and each breached policy maps to the specific law and requirement. The customer has a complete vision of their data, what's breaching every aspect of the law, very localized, easily identifiable, and relatable to what they're expecting. And again, this is uploaded in about 5 minutes. They just need to run a scan, and they have value right after. That's the demo. Hope you enjoyed it, and please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye-bye.